Have you really trusted a company? A company worth talking about?
I don't think so.
Yet. Come on, let's take a ride. While you sleep, mold does its thing. But don't worry, Restoration Control has a solution. Broken pipes, leaks.
How long is it gonna take to fix this?
Restoration Control's got this. I believe something is burning.
Oh my goodness, it's a fire, somebody help me. Somebody help, help, fire.
Everyone calm down. Mustard, my favorite color!
Even the best actors must begin again. Don't be afraid. We are your disaster response team. Free quotes and 24-hour emergency services and Restoration Control. Everything will be